Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This background is fake and I'm going to teach you how to do your own in this video. If you have not started your YouTube channel because you don't have a background to shoot video, this video is going to be very helpful to you. Try to watch it to the end. So this is what you have to do. Record your video using a very plain background and do not move around too much. Even if you don't have white background, you can easily buy backdrop, those materials that are not expensive. You buy it with clip and you hold it and sit and make your video. So after you have done this, you now go to your Chrome and type pixel. Wait for it to load up and click on this pixel, this particular one here. When you get to the website, search for free background that you want. Just describe any type of background that you want. So here I'm just going to put this prompt: a well furnished sitting room with lamp and flowers, and you click on search icon. It's going to bring different type for you. It depends on you to just click on any one of them that you like. I like this one here and I'm going to click on free download. So when you click on free download, it's going to save to your files. So when you open your files, you're going to see the video that you just downloaded. So click on it and save to photos so that you can see it on your gallery. You can see save image. I'm going to save it now. Next thing, we are going to CapCut. You click on new project and import that video that you did. So when you import it, you're going to do your proper adjustments that you usually give your video, like the retouching, the adjustments, the cut and join. You're going to do all of that first and export it to your gallery. Now you have the proper video that you want to use the background for, so that you will not be going back and forth trying to pick it one by one. That is why we did this first. Next thing, you click on new project and import the video that you just saved. Add the video. Now look for remove background. Click on auto remover and wait for it to load up. This is going to take your time. Just calm down for it to load up. Then after that you're going to click on duplicate. You have to duplicate this video for you to be able to add your background to it. After you have duplicated the video, you now click on the plus sign to add the picture from your gallery. When you click on photos, and this is the picture here, click on add and click on that video, on that picture, and click on overlay. And drag it to the beginning of the video. After that, you click on it and make sure you measure it down to the first clip. Make sure they are accurate. Do not make it longer than that. Now expand it. Make it the same size with the video that you're making. Now click on the second clip and click on overlay. Drag it down and drag it to the first clip too. Make sure they are under make sure this one is under the background that you want to use, so that it can give you what you want. And here is the result. Your video is going to look like this. Now you can export your video if you are using a pro version of CapCut. If you are not using the pro version, you should screen record it. You screen record it from A to Z, and when it gets to your video gallery, you go and crop it. So when you crop it or you save it, you should have something like this. And now you have your background. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in my next video. I love you.